Hey guys, this is Loudmouth Football. I haven't really posted many videos in the last couple of months. I'm running another football channel called Goloy, so you can check that out. It's primarily an Indian-centric Premier League channel, but we talk in English, we talk in Hindi. So everyone is welcome to that channel. Having said that, I am not gonna discontinue this channel. I know my brand identity primarily is Loudmouth Football. That's how I recognize myself. I've been pretty loud about my opinions all my life. Football has been the entirety to my existence, like other fans would say the same for themselves. But yeah, a couple of thoughts. I thought I'll start making videos on my phone because it's not really viable for me to stream all day long. I get up early in the morning at 6 a.m. I do a live stream almost on a daily basis, 2 to 2.5 hour live stream from 6 to 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I work in the corporate from 9 to 5. Come back home, I do the chores, I do the dishes, I take care of my cat, stay with my partner, so I need to spend time at home too. I do research on football all the time, I watch football videos, and people who know me, they know my hustle, and I take pride in it, right? Some might think I'm arrogant, some might think I'm egotistical, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know that this is how it is going to be. For some time, I'm going to be posting videos, maybe daily, maybe whenever I feel like, through the phone, right? And it's only going to be all things football, right? I think I just want to talk about Liverpool versus United for a bit, right? Again, there's no point in talking about what happened in hindsight. I've been echoing that message loud on my live streams out there in Goloy. But I'll tell you one thing for sure, right? For the public on Loudmouth Football. I think Slot might deviate from being a bit stubborn and might listen to what his coaches are going to tell him. Flexibility is what he needs to be resorting to right now. Soberslide needs to play in that number 10 position. Florian Wirtz needs to play as a left midfielder, right? I think he's going to work magically from that position. Ekitike needs to start ahead of Isak. Salah needs to start against Luke Shaw. I think he's won 6 fixtures and he's drawn 3 whenever he's faced Luke Shaw. Conor Bradley has to be trusted. He had an amazing international break. Captained his Northern Ireland, his nation. He was all over the pitch, winning duels. The prime version of the younger version of Conor Bradley, what we got to see against Chelsea in that Carabao Cup, is what I saw in whilst he was playing for Northern Ireland. But yeah, I think Conor Bradley has to start over Frimpong for that one. Don't really know where Frimpong would fit in the system, but I would actually go in for a Joe Gomez ahead of Konate for now. I think on merit, I think Joe Gomez, whenever he starts for us, he's been brilliant. Even though he goes down with a knock or gets injured, but I think he needs to get ahead of Konate in this fixture. Van Dijk next to him for sure. I think Van Dijk has not had a single wrong footing this season. Kirkes, again, I think Slot just needs to imbibe that confidence. Like, he needs to radiate some sort of magic in him too. Like, things need to start ticking for Kirkes, because the Kirkes I've seen in Bournemouth was demolishing, like an attacking fullback that I needed, right? I think Robertson, in fact, got fierce competition for that position, and Robertson, out of nowhere, a 31-year-old, a shadow of his prime self, has started performing well because of Kirkes being there, right? Which is good, competition is good, but I want Kirkes to start this one. I think this guy needs to be trusted, and he needs to be given the flexibility of pushing himself ahead. I think he's maybe a bit cautious because the manager is expecting that from him. Of course, Alisson is injured. He'll be back in November. It has to be Mamashvili, right? I think Mamashvili, brilliant recruitment, by the way, Liverpool. Proud of the football club. I think we've been on point with regards to our keepers, defenders, in fact, all players. And I trust this squad so much. I know at some point in time, we will tick. And we have a brilliant manager, by the way. This guy is street smart, he's shrewd, he knows what he's doing on the pitch, right? Not that emotional, right? He runs more of a rational. Yeah, I think he is a really level-headed manager, one which we needed from the very beginning after Klopp, right? One of the Premier League as a debutant. How mind-boggling is that, right? So just keep faith in Liverpool. I think we should smash United at Anfield. I think I'm pretty confident.